Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I want to show you how to download apps that are restricted to UK and US citizens only. That means apps that Africans are not allowed to use. Before we go into that, let me just quickly show you what I mean by that. So let's take, for instance, I want to download Curious Card. I'm making this video because of most of you who have been asking how you can download apps like this. If you want to download app like Curious Card now, you can see it says this app isn't available on Google Play in your region. So let's try another one. This is Discount app. Let's see what it's gonna say. You can see it says the same thing. It says this app isn't available on Google Play in your region. So if you want to download apps like this is what you're gonna do. So you come over here. This is where we're gonna work on. Your Play Store is not yet in United Kingdom or United States. So for you to convert your Play Store to United Kingdom or United States, the first thing you're gonna do is to at least create a UK email address. So let's go to our Gmail to do that. So for you to create the UK email, you have to turn on your VPN. Just connect it to whichever country you want to create your email for. So now that you've connected, let's quickly go to our Gmail to start creating the account. Right now, this is where you are going to click to create another Gmail account. So just tap on it. Once you tap on it, scroll down to this page with the plus button. Tap on it. Then click on order. Type in the email you want to create. So let's say this is the email I want to make use of. Just click on done. Once you've gotten to this page, there's no point clicking on next. Don't click on next. Instead of that, you click on create account. Just tap on it. Depending on what you need the email for, you can go for personal email or work business email. So whichever one you want to go for. For the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to click on personal use. Then once you've done that, just enter your name. Then you tap on next. Input your age. Then your year of birth. So let me just say 2000. Then put your gender. And after that, click on next. You can see it's giving me some suggested emails to make use of. I have Team UK Viewers. I have UK Viewers Team. So whichever one I want to go for. So let me select the first one, teamukviewers@gmail.com. Then I click on next. Enter the password that you can always remember. After clicking on next, it's gonna bring you to this interface where it says review your account info. So just tap on next. Then scroll down. Click on I agree. And that's all. Your UK email is ready. Then if you want to know if you actually succeeded in creating the account, just go back to your Gmail and check it. If you check the list of emails you have in your Gmail, if you see the new one you just created, it means that you succeeded in creating your UK email account. Right now, let's head over to our Play Store. So guys, now that you've gotten your UK email, all you have to do right now is to come over here. Just take note of how this looks. That's because it's a Nigerian email. I'm using a Nigerian Play Store here. So right now we want to change it over to our UK email, the new one we just created. As we are doing this, just ensure that your VPN is still on. Then after doing that, so just select the one we just newly created. This is it here. So just tap on it. Let's change it over. So you can see it has changed the look of this, showing you that we are currently using a UK email because our VPN is already on. But that's not all. If you go ahead to download some apps, you may not be allowed to download them. So can we just try them? So let's see if we can download ReRush, which is a UK app. So you can see we are not yet allowed to download the UK app. There are some apps that will not allow you to download them by just using a VPN and your UK email. So if you want to make sure your Play Store is completely on UK Play Store, for you to be able to have access to download whichever UK restricted app, all you have to do is to just come down here. Then you see settings. This is settings here. Tap on settings. Then this is general. Tap on general. After that, you're going to see this account and device preferences. Tap on it. Then scroll down, you can see where it says switch to UK Play Store. That's to tell you that our Play Store is not fully on United Kingdom Play Store. For us to change this Play Store to United Kingdom Play Store, all we are going to do right now is to click here. If you want to use your PayPal, you can add PayPal. If you have a Play Safe cards, you can add it. But for me, I want to use my Nigerian ATM card for this. There's no problem, nothing to worry about. Your ATM card is safe. They cannot purchase anything on your behalf until you are the one that wants to purchase something with your ATM card on your Play Store. So don't worry about anything. So you can see where it says change your Google Play country to United Kingdom. You won't be able to use your current payment method or play balance. So because of this, just make sure you are using the newly created UK email to do this. Right now, just tap on continue. Then over here, we are going to add our card details. You can see where it says card number, month, year, security code. If you are okay with this, just go ahead to enter your card details. Like I told you, I want to use my Nigerian card details now. So let me pause and insert them. So right now I've added the card details and I'm using a UBA ATM card. So if you don't have a UBA MasterCard, you can use any other one that you have within your reach. So the next thing we are going to do is to tap on Save Card. You can see it says created a new profile. So just allow it to scroll until it's done scrolling. After a while, it's changed over to the United Kingdom Play Store, and if you look here, you see that this is completely different from the usual Nigerian Play Store. So right now, let's check to be sure that we are fully using a United Kingdom Play Store. Come over here and tap on the new email you created. Then scroll down, click on settings again. After clicking on settings, tap general, account and device preferences. Then scroll down. You can see, voila, we are using a UK Play Store. Can you see that? Can you see that we are fully authorized to use a UK Play Store? If you look at this, if you created yours and it's showing this blue mark, it means that you are fully authorized to use a UK Play Store. So right now, let's go back and see if we can be able to download apps that were restricted before. And mind you, whenever you finish downloading the apps you want to download, you can always change it over. Just tap it here to change it over to your Nigerian Play Store, except you are okay having this running. So you can just tap on search. Let's look for apps we can download. Let's see if we can download Curious Cats. Voila, you can see right now we can download any app of our choice. Can you see Curious Cats? You can install it. That's to tell you that right now you can download whichever restricted app you want to download. Any app of your choice, you can now download it using this method. So guys, that will be all for now. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.